y'all, it's Paige Leanne. So I'm here today because I figured this was so awesome that I found a natural, all natural shampoo that is easy to make. It's actually made with the African black soap. I got this from Shea Moisture. You can definitely get the original African black soap, which is probably what I'll do next time. Nothing wasn't wrong with this, but I'll probably just try the pure African soap next time. So all I'm doing is breaking it into small pieces. I started off cutting it, but I realized it's actually easy just to break it. So I figured I would just break it into tiny pieces. I'm adding it to boiling hot water. Yes, just let it sit. I let mine sit for probably about 3 to 4 hours after I added my oils. Y'all know I'm a fan of peppermint oil and lavender oil. Also, vitamin E is great for hair and skin, so I'm always adding vitamin E. And of course, Jamaican black castor oil. I love some Jamaican black castor oil. It's great for your edges, great for hair growth, all that good stuff. You are more than welcome to add whatever oils you prefer to use. These are just the oils that I like to use on my hair. But I like to use a lot of oils, so I was like, what the heck? Let me add a little olive oil as well. So I'm just going to mix everything together. Like I said, let it sit for 3 to 4 hours. And then when I came back, yes, it was like solid, but not solid. It was like a jelly. So yeah, I'll later explain that later in the video. So y'all just keep watching. Okay, y'all, so to start this process off, I am starting by taking out these braids. Y'all, I got like 4 braids and they've just been under my wig for about a week now. I'm not even gonna lie. They look all busted up, but that's all good. So, yeah, I just really feel like my hair needs to be cleaned and cleansed, shampooed, my scalp. Make sure that my hair is well and moisturized. So I'm going to definitely do a deep condition today. So I'm really just making today a full wash day. So yeah. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and fast forward, taking down these braids, and then I'm going to end up doing a pre-poo because I know my hair is kind of dry from being in these braids. I have been moisturizing them when I take off the wig at night, but still, it's nothing like just having your hair took down and moisturizing it. So that is what I'm going to do in this video and show y'all me applying the African black shampoo that I have made. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I ended up just letting my pre-poo stay in, and I did my natural steaming method. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off. I normally don't do the steaming method with the pre-poo or even cover my head. I usually just put it on. Well, it depends sometimes. So yeah, I kind of took an extra step this time in doing the steaming method. Here is how my African black shampoo looks. And I mean, legit looks like shampoo. So the crazy thing about this is some of the pieces didn't end up melting. So I just took them out. Literally, it was like probably 6 pieces. And I put them in some more little water. And so now I just have them sitting, melting, making some more. So when I use this, I can just refill it back up. When I went to check it, and I did let it sit for probably about, I want to say 3 to 4 hours before coming back and checking it after letting it sit. It was more like a jelly. So it looked like how the flaxseed, when you do it and it's like the gel, that's what this looked like. So I'm kind of curious now that when it's in the bottle, is it going to do that again when it's not heated up? So I think every time it cools, it does that, and then you have to reheat it. So right now it's good and warm because I went ahead and let it sit in some more warm water. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all. And also, if y'all like see me laughing or keep looking down, we ended up getting a kitten. Yes, y'all. And this kitten is so freaking funny. He is only 8 weeks. His name is Leonardo, but Leo for short. Yes, we all love this cat. This is Faith's first cat, and she has been having a fit with this thing, literally, y'all. Like crying, getting mad, not wanting to share him, and he so just bumped my tripod, not wanting to share him or anything with anybody. So it is too funny, especially her brother. She's been super like hogging when it comes to the cat. So anyways, now that I kind of talked about that, I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my hair and let y'all know how. So my hair is already feeling good just from the pre-poo. Like literally, y'all, my hair feels really good. Okay, so I went ahead and took this out, just my section. And y'all, my hair feels so good already. So I'm anxious to see what this is going to do. It's supposed to be moisturizing. So, okay. Okay, I see some suds. Not many, but I'm just going to more or less pump it onto my hair. Okay, let me not shake it. But, it went down my shirt. I hate that feeling. See if we can get some suds going here. I'm not really focusing on a lot of suds. I just want to know that my hair and scalp is clean. So I do see it making some suds. Another good thing about this is you're supposed to be able to put it all the way through your hair and it's not stripping at the same time. It's supposed to promote hair growth and all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all the way to my hair, all the way from my scalp, massaging all the way down to my roots. And then I'm going to go rinse. Okay, y'all, so one thing that I have found out and I realized is that my curls are definitely popping, but no, that's not what I realized. But I'm serious though, like if I could leave this stuff in my head and wear my curls like this, I would literally wear my curls every day. But one thing that I did realize is that if you end up letting it warm just in regular warm water like what I did to basically melt it, let it sit for a few minutes to kind of get back that jelly that I was telling y'all, but not as much as it was. So I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but it's definitely not as runny as it was when I first started out, and that is what's creating more suds. So definitely if you're one of those people that you just have to see suds, and I'm not like that, but I do like to see suds every now and then, I would recommend just waiting. Also, I found that it is just like so moisturized and my hair feels really good. It doesn't feel stripped or anything. So that is another good thing I have discovered. And look at all those suds. So it doesn't even take as many pumps as I've been having to use when I first started out because it was real runny. So just letting y'all know that. Another thing, I wouldn't recommend putting it in a spray bottle. So that is one thing that I did before with one of my deep conditioners and my conditioners, and I wouldn't recommend doing that. So yeah, don't do that, y'all. Just massage those edges, make sure they're good and clean from all that Eco Styler. And I am going to actually let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes because it feels so good to my hair. Like, I cannot explain how good this stuff feels. So I'm gonna let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm just gonna go rinse it out, and I will be back. So I am back. I just rinsed out the African Black shampoo DIY that I made. So here is the big test. Did it clean my hair and scalp good? Because y'all, my hair is so freaking thick since it's been growing that really the only shampoos I can use is clarifying shampoos. Like, just regular shampoos do not do it for me. So I've been using the Cantu clarifying shampoo, but we will see. So far, my first little part looks good. Okay. So let's see what we got over here. My edges look good. Definitely don't see any buildup or any gel or anything. My hair feels really still moisturized. It's crazy because it feels like I just rinsed out a conditioner rather than shampoo. So not really a leave-in, a deep conditioner, but it feels like I just conditioned my hair. So it's kind of weird because it's like, could you just, skip the conditioner step? So, okay, it's looking good and clean. Just water. Okay. I'm messing with this African Black. Like, y'all, I think I found a staple for this year with my hair products. So I don't think I'm gonna buy any more shampoo from here on out. I'm going to try this on face hair, and if it works on hair, like, we are in the door, like, legit. We're gonna stop with all these hair products. The only hair product I can't let go is my Cantu leave-in conditioning cream. That's really the only one. But y'all, I know y'all see this. My hair is so moisturized. It's crazy because I really feel my hair is so soft. It feels like I conditioned it. So if y'all haven't tried this, I would recommend doing it. It may seem a little time consuming to make, but if y'all were making the rice water, yes, y'all can make this. Once again, look at this. Feels good and clean, feels moisturized. Feel like I could skip conditioner, but I'm not, because I'm not that crazy. But I am gonna deep condition my hair, y'all. So I will be doing that actually tomorrow because I think I'm done with hair for today. So I'm not even gonna lie. I'm just going to twist it back up, and then I'll be back tomorrow to do the second part of this video, which will be my DIY deep conditioner. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Definitely be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment if you have anything to mention or say. And I will see y'all on the next one. Definitely be sure to share. Sharing is always caring. Bye.